Hi, I'm Mary, and this video is going to talk about parallel and perpendicular lines. This is good for students in Algebra 1 and geometry. So remember, if you've got parallel lines, they never intersect. They kind of look like that. They're going to have the same slope. So their slopes will be equal. If you've got perpendicular lines, they're going to meet in a right angle. Sometimes we like to do them, you can think about it like the axes even, right? Okay. And they have opposite reciprocal slopes. So there's a lot going on there. So opposite just means different signs, and reciprocal means that you would have it written as a fraction and you would flip it. So the numerator and denominator switch places. So for example, if you have one line with a slope of 1/4, the slope of the line that is perpendicular to it is going to be the opposite, -4/1. That's the reciprocal, or just -4. Okay, let's look at a couple of these and see if it can make some sense in application. We've got 3 lines here that we're going to go ahead and sketch so that we can see what's going on and decide the type of lines that they are. Now, hopefully, you know that we're looking at slope. We have 2/3 and 2/3. They're the same. These lines are going to be parallel. -3/2 is the opposite reciprocal of 2/3. So this line will be perpendicular to these. Let's sketch them just so we can see what they look like. Here's going to be our first one. The y-intercept is 1. The slope is 2/3. So from this point, I'm going up 2 and then 3 to the right. I can also go down 2 and 3 to the left. There's my first line. In the middle, the y-intercept is also 1, but the slope is -3/2. Down 3, over 2. Up 3, back 2. You can see the nice 90-degree angle that is created here. And finally at the end, we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to go up 2 over 1, 2, 3. You can see now how these are parallel. This is also perpendicular here. Okay. What if you had to write the equation of a line that went through 2, -3 and was parallel to the line y equals 5x minus 3? Well, you would know that the slopes are the same. You can use this xy point and substitute right into y equals mx plus b. -3 is 5 times 2 plus b. -3 is 10 plus b. And then we're just going to isolate here. -13 is b. So our equation is 5x minus 13. Similarly, what if we had to write an equation of a line that was perpendicular, that went through a certain point and was perpendicular to another? The slope here is 1/3. I need to flip it and change the sign. So my slope is -3. Y equals mx plus b here. Remember, this is x and y. So we put in 7 is -3. That's our slope times our x value, -4 plus b. 7 equals 12 plus b. And then we'll subtract the 12 to get -5 as our y-intercept. When you're writing the equation of your line, substitute your slope and your y-intercept. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I'm happy that you joined me for this magical math moment. Bye.